We have a follow-up to a murder case that's left one juvenile being held without bond.
WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Brooklyn Kent has the latest.
LaQuaviana Parson and Demiria Hollingsworth were visiting their grandmother in July. On Monday, July 15th, the Humboldt Police Department responded to a call and Hollingsworth was found unresponsive. In a video found at the home, Parson was seen smothering Hollingsworth and cleaning her body.
The grand jury returned a true bill indictment for 1 count of first-degree murder and 2 counts of tampering with evidence regarding the murder of her first cousin, Demiria Hollingsworth, who was 8 years old.
District Attorney Frederick Agee says that this is one of the worst homicides he has seen.
The way the homicide happened is also very rare. We've had medical examiners reach out to us as far away as New York City and to discuss the case and to make sure that the medical examiner here in Tennessee was looking for certain things.
Parsons, originally from South Carolina, is currently held in a juvenile center in Murfreesboro.
Being that the defendant at the time of this murder was 12 years old and now is 13, there's always a concern that the juvenile court may want to maintain jurisdiction. However, Judge Johnson found probable cause. He also found that this was the right decision to transfer the child to adult court.
A case such as this one is one of the youngest transfers from juvenile court to adult court in modern times,
where the defendant, Parsons, will have to come to Humboldt. Judge Peoples will read her indictment. We'll find out whether or not she needs an attorney or whether the court should appoint an attorney, and that should be set within the next 10 days.
Parsons may face a life sentence along with the chance of parole if this case goes to trial.
However, because she's a juvenile and the law has recently changed, she would be entitled to a parole hearing after serving between 25 and 36 years with the Tennessee Department of Corrections. But that would be if we went to trial, if we got a conviction. Under the law now, juveniles are not treated as an adults when regarding first-degree murder.
Agee does hope that a case such as this one never happens again and asks for prayer for the victim's family.
Please keep Demiria's family, our law enforcement, and those of us that will be prosecuting the case in your thoughts and prayers. This is not an easy case. It's a tough case. It's a terrible, horrific homicide, and one that we hope we don't ever see again in Gibson County or the state of Tennessee.
In Humboldt, Brooklyn Kent, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.
Agee says this indictment by the grand jury was a majority decision.